Over 70 grams of protein without any protein powder, all natural, low calorie, all healthy, budget friendly, super tasty vanilla protein smoothie. Made with super cheap soy chunks, but tastes like a delicious vanilla milkshake. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a cup of soy chunks into a blender. Along with 2 cups of a plant-based milk. A tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. And 4 soft mature dates. Next, blend it until it's super creamy and smooth. Now enjoy a budget-friendly and super tasty protein smoothie! Thanks for watching!